Welcome back, you guys. In today's video, we're going to be dyeing my mother's pixie cut wig. Now she had this wig for a long time. She decided she no longer liked that burgundy red color, so she asked me if I can dye it a darker color for her. And I told her, girl, no problem. I got you. So as you can see here, we are using the water method. Now, guys, I did boil my water, so this water is extremely hot, but you're more than welcome to just use hot tap water. Now, what I'm going to do is let this wig sit in this dye for about 20 minutes max. I don't think I let it sit longer than 20 minutes. I did buy 2 bottles of the Jet Black Adobe Hair Dye. Any products that I use will be in the description box below, so check that out. And do not judge my dish glove. As I mentioned, this water is extremely hot. And using or wearing a dish glove, touching that water, you actually can't feel the hotness of the water. You can feel a little warmth, but that's about it. So I'm able to touch the wig as needed with this glove on. So don't judge the glove. Alright, so the 20 minutes is up. We're going to take this out and I'm going to rinse it out. Now, I am rinsing it out in cold water. And guys, you just want to rinse until there's no more dye coming from your wig. So we're just rinsing here until we can see no more of that color coming off of it. Once we get it all rinsed and clean as it should be, I am going to put in some leave-in conditioner on this wig so it'll maintain just its sheen or its looks. Alright, and so this is what it's looking like so far. As you can see, it's black. Now, a little bit of that red color did peek through, but she loved it like that. You will be able to see that at the end of the video. So keep watching so you can see how this thing turned out. Again, here, that's just leave-in conditioner that I'm adding to this wig. And then I'm going to blow dry it. After I blow dry, we are going to style it. So again, keep watching so you can see how this wig turned out in the end. You guys are not going to believe what it looks like. Now that the drying is done, just gonna put a little heat protector on there and go in with this little 1/2-inch flat iron and just bump some curls in it. You know how these old ladies like to wear their wigs, with a little bumps in it, little curl, little bumps. And guys, as I just mentioned, we're just bumping it again. Just bumping. Because we know, again, how them church ladies like to wear their wigs. So keep watching to the end and watch how pretty this thing turned out. The final result.
And thank you guys for watching to the end.